dogwifhat with coin will be listed on BingX Spot, an exciting addition to the cryptocurrency market. The cryptocurrency market continues to evolve and expand, offering new opportunities for traders and investors. In the latest development, BingX Spot has announced the addition of a highly anticipated trading pair, dogwifhat with coin. This video aims to provide an in-depth understanding of the listing announcement, its implications, and the necessary precautions for interested individuals. Important 1. Our team has direct contact with the management of BingX Exchange, and in case of any disputable issues, those who are registered and see in the section Account and Security opposite my refer code 911 can contact me, and those who are registered but have in the column my refer another referral code will solve the issues themselves in case of their occurrence, and this can take months. 2. If you have VIP level on another exchange, we will give +2 levels of VIP on BingX. 3. For users trading on my affiliate code 911, do not forget about the discount on the commission and % cashback. PS. In any case, everything is negotiated in each case individually, and for speed and Telegram, it is listed under this video. And so let's get started. Announcement of with coin listing on BingX Spot. On January 18, 2024, BingX Spot unveiled its plan to list the dogwifhat with coin, following significant demand from its user base. The listing announcement revealed that the trading pair for with coin will be WIF USDT, allowing traders to easily participate in the market. The announcement also provided specific details regarding the deposit and withdrawal times for the WIF coin, both scheduled for January 18, 2024 at 9:30 UTC+0. This information ensures that users are aware of the timeline and can plan their trading activities accordingly. Investment risks and precautions. While the cryptocurrency market offers immense potential for profits, it is crucial to acknowledge the inherent risks associated with such investments. BingX Spot, in its announcement, emphasized the highly volatile nature of cryptocurrencies and the uncertainties surrounding market conditions, project developments, technical aspects, and compliance-related factors. In light of these risks, users are strongly advised to exercise caution and remain well-informed about the potential pitfalls of investing in cryptocurrencies. It is recommended to evaluate one's risk tolerance, stay updated on market trends, and invest prudently to mitigate potential losses. Important considerations for traders. BingX Spot's announcement included vital considerations that traders should keep in mind for a seamless trading experience. Firstly, users are reminded to ensure that the selected chain or network on BingX aligns with the platform they intend to perform their deposits or withdrawals on, as this helps avoid unnecessary losses. BingX Spot automatically adjusts relevant parameter limits for spot trading based on market liquidity. Traders are encouraged to reach out to the platform's 24/7's online support for any queries or concerns they may have regarding these adjustments. It is crucial to note that the listing time mentioned in the announcement serves as a reference only. BingX Spot will open the trading service once the deposit requirement for the WIF coin is met, and the actual opening time may vary. Traders should stay updated through official channels for the latest information. BingX official channels and platforms to ensure seamless communication and access to information. BingX Spot provides various official channels for users. These include the BingX app, BingX Web, Telegram, Twitter, and YouTube. By following these channels, users can stay informed about updates, announcements, and relevant content related to the listing and other important developments. Risk disclaimer and compliance with regulations. The article highlights the importance of understanding the risks associated with trading cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency prices are subject to high market risk and price volatility, and individuals should only invest in products they are familiar with and understand the associated risks. Consulting an independent financial advisor is recommended before making any investment decisions. BingX Spot emphasizes its commitment to compliance with local laws and regulations. Traders are urged to adhere to the laws and regulations governing the cryptocurrency market in their respective countries or regions. BingX Spot reserves the right to amend, change, or cancel the listing announcement at its sole discretion and without prior notice. The listing of dogwifhat with coin on BingX Spot presents an exciting opportunity for traders and investors to participate in the cryptocurrency market. However, it is crucial to approach such investments with caution and awareness of the associated risks. By staying informed, evaluating risks, and making prudent investment decisions, individuals can navigate the market effectively. The listing of dogwifhat with coin on BingX Spot is a thrilling development in the cryptocurrency market. But remember, with great potential comes great responsibility. Stay informed, evaluate risks, and make smart investment decisions. If you're ready to dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrencies, why not give BingX Exchange a try? Sign up today with the referral code 911 and embark on your trading journey with confidence. Happy trading!